What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you this beautiful unit today by Blackmoon Hair. Shout out to them for sponsoring this video. I am first going to show you all the goodies that you will receive when you purchase your unit. I was so excited for this little packet because I won't lie to you, when brands send me little goodies, it really shows me that they pay attention. So they sent me these 3D lashes. Those are absolutely beautiful. And then they also sent me these small little silver hoops. I really like small hoops, especially when I'm just running errands. And this was really cute and creative and different. They sent me like a crushed glitter type palette, and it was really pretty because it has this really pretty gold, and I really like that green. And then another little cute thing that they sent me was this pack of brushes. So I was really excited for this because there is a really nice brow carving concealer brush in there that I was really excited for. And then of course, like most wigs, they also send you a wig cap, so that's really nice. I really like the attention to detail, like I said. And then there's also another extra packet, pair of lashes. So this is the unit itself. It is a beautiful 28-inch water wave closure. I'm really excited for this because this is a lower density of hair, and I won't lie to you, this is hands down my favorite closure of the summer. It is so good, guys. I did not have to pluck that part, number one. Number two, it comes with adjustable straps and combs, and the tracks are nicely sewn into the wig, and yeah, it's just very nicely made. I love that about the hair. And just to show you a closer look at the curls, this is the curls without them being broken or anything like that. Literally just me running my hands through them, and literally that's it. And then I'm going to do my little DIY tinting hack that I always do on literally all of my wigs. I take just a little bit of foundation and I just pat that onto the lace just so that it can melt with my skin, even though it is a closure. And after cutting the lace off, I'm literally just going to place it on my head and not really, stick it on. I still really want to make sure that the lace matches my skin. So this is how the hair looks when I just plop it on my head. I like the fact that this is a 4x4 closure, but it looks like it's more, it looks like a 5. It's very nicely made. I like this hair, and even fresh out the box, it laid very nice and flat on my head. So now let's start to kind of define the curls so that we can, get that popping look. I'm going to use the Care Mousse from Clicks. You can literally get it from Clicks or from Discam. And all I'm really going to do is put a whole lot of mousse on my hair. I'm going to first put it on my hands, and then I'm just going to use that to rake through my hair. Basically, I want to rake through it instead of taking a comb and brushing it first, because I want the hair to stay defined. I don't want it to look bushy or kind of, thick or anything like that. So I like this hair mainly because of the density. Like I said before, this is not a lot of hair, and I think it works for this type of hair texture, because the hair is very fluffy already. So when there are too many bundles in the wig, I feel like, especially because it's a closure, it can just get a bit too heavy. You know what I'm saying? I love this exact wig. If you want the look that I am getting without it being too thick, too thin, too anything, click the link in the description box. I will have a direct link to this exact wig. I love this hair. I love it. I love it. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, I like this. Look how nice. I love it. This is my December hair. This is my December hair. My December curls. Love. Look how flat. Look how flat this hair is. I didn't have to do that much to this hair, honestly, for being completely honest. Just took it out the box, put some mousse, ready to go. So as you guys heard me say, like, I'm really obsessed with this hair. I am really impressed. Blackmoon really did that. So like I said, I will put the details of this hair in the description box. I really recommend. It is beautiful, it is fluffy, it is luscious. I absolutely love this hair, you guys. So definitely go into my description box if you are interested in shopping this hair. It is easy breezy, it is not too thick, and I love the fact that I just can wear it in the summer and it won't be too much. You know what I'm saying? It's just not a lot of hair, but it's just perfect. Absolutely perfect. Shout out to Blackmoon again. And yeah, if you guys want to get this exact wig, definitely go into my description box. I will have a discount code if I have one. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.